The Secret of Arab Happiness. Humorous observation of Abdul Hakim Nassif. If a man has more than one wife, he becomes a threshing floor, and the hard-earned money of such a husband brings untold wealth to the house. So it has been proven that because the Arabs have a practice of polygamy, that is why this land produces a lot of oil. So if you want a happy future, do polygamy. Hey ha ha ha.
कोलू का बेल उसको बनाती हैं बीवियां, कोलू का बेल उसको बनाती हैं बीवियां, शौहर का खून जर में बदलता है दोस्तों। जिस सरजमी पे मर्द कई बीवियां रखे, उस सरजमी से तेल निकलता है दोस्तों।
Oh my God! Don't Rasi! Oh my God! What the? Rasi! Oh my God!